Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily make your volume on ringtone when someone calls you more high or lower. So for doing this, you can see here on the left side you can see two buttons. It's plus button and minus. So it's make a higher volume and make lower volume. So all you need to unlock your phone, and when you unlock your phone, you just click on first button, so it will make a ringtone more high, volume more high, and if you click on the second button, on the second button you make your volume more low, so you make it lower. So you can also control your ringtone like this. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.